Hi, I'm NZ Beer Babe and welcome to another beer review. Today you're joining me from my bedroom because it is the quietest place in my house currently. Um, so today is not really a review per se, though I do have a tasty beer that I am enjoying. This one is called The Doctor and it is from Leigh Sawmill Brewing Company. It is described as a smooth dark lager with shades of chocolate and a full malt aroma, rich and complex and balanced. This one is a 6.5 ABV. And when I tasted it, it poured out, not much of a head came out on it. Like I said, though, that doesn't really do anything with me with certain beer styles anyway. This one was a lot hoppier than I expected, but really well balanced because the bitterness was not overpowering. In fact, it was more in the background and really stubble. So I've actually really enjoyed this beer. I'm not sure where else you can get it from, but I suppose you can always contact them at www.sawmillbrewery.co.nz and find out where they stock it. This one I believe came from the Matakana liquor store. So I'd just like to say a very special thank you to Joel for getting me a couple of bottles from the brewing company. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now I want to talk about quickly Gabs. I am going to post up a review at some point next week on my Gabs experience. Thank you so much to Stephen and Guy for taking the risk and bringing the Great Australian Beer Spectacular to New Zealand. It was a full house. Everyone had a great time. Thank you so much to Beat PR for giving me my media passes. I thoroughly enjoyed it and I'm going to put up a review, like I said, next week on my experience. I did debut my NZ Beer Babe merchandise, so if you'd like to get a t-shirt, please email me at nzbeerbabe at gmail.com, nzbeerbabe@gmail.com. It's Sunday and it's been a long week. Things are sort of ticking over a lot slower now. The next event I believe will be Beervana in Wellington, New Zealand. I have not been. I heard it is amazing. It's over 2 days and hopefully I'll be able to get there for at least one day and just experience Beervana. But that's in August and we'll just have to wait and see for that. All right, so again, everybody, if you'd like to taste this, go to Leigh Sawmill's website and see where they stock these. Taste, discover and enjoy. Cheers.